Hello there. In this video, we're going to look at how you can randomize your coding tests, that is programming and SQL tests. So just like you can with quizzes, you can see to it that different candidates see different questions. Up to now, we're enabling that only on quizzes. You can now do this with programming tests as well as SQL tests. So let's say this is your assessment. You go into the settings. You will see that this assessment has two coding tests already. You can see there's this, which is a hard to problem, and then there's this problem, which is a medium one. So if you do not enable randomization, then all candidates will see exactly these two problems. They will see it in this order. So the minimum swaps comes first, and then they will do this. Now, if you click on this icon, which says randomize, you see this is a problem that we already have. You can now add more problems to randomize against, right? So you have a few filters here. This is the hard to problem. So let's say I only want to do hard to. You see other problems that are hard to. You can also filter by whether it's equip content, what languages are enabled. You can search. Let me add a couple more, maybe 4 problems now, right? So these are all hard to problems. So there are 4 problems here, and the different candidates will see one of these problems. They'll only see one of them, but it will be randomized. Let's say I go in and I want to randomize this as well. So this is sum of unique characters, and that's what is selected here. Again, this is medium one, but let's say I decide to add another hard to problem, maybe this, right? So find longest repeating substring. I could also do a medium one, countries and states. So there are 3 problems here. So if I go into this, I will see 3 that are randomized, right? So the candidate will see one of these 3 problems. Now, between these two, one hard to problem is repeated. All right. So let's say this exactly that common problem is shown to a candidate. Then we will ensure, as you mentioned here, even if the same question is added to multiple tests, we'll ensure it doesn't repeat for a given candidate. So you don't have to worry about the question repeating, even if you add it to different tests. Right? So this is all you have to do. You have to just click on the icon, select the problems you want to randomize, basically the set that you want to randomize with, and then click on update. We take care of everything else in the backend. So with this, exactly like with quizzes, you can see to it that if there are many candidates attempting the test at the same time, or even if they're doing it later and they share the question, that will not be a problem anymore. And you can specify exactly what problems you want to randomize against. All right, thank you.